create pad footing for post. Now I just go to view, select here view list, select here grid A, then go to the concrete, select here footing, pad footing, make it here 1050 into 850, make it here 425, other all the thing keep as it is, then go to the post, click the location, it will create within few seconds. Now you can select this one, you can see the properties, here you need to change -25 and here it is. So everything is finished. Then select this one, right click, copy, click any location and place it here. So now the pad footing is placed. If you go to the 3D view, you can see here pad footing.